Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add testimonials for your site in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here plus, and you're gonna see here themes and testimonials. So you want to choose which one you like. I will like this one here, and here you have option to change them. So let's say what our fantastic users say. You can just go to browse computer and let's upload Yoda. And when we have Yoda here, click OK. And you can just edit it. This is the way Yoda baby. So yeah, he's baby Yoda, and this is the way. So this is how you can easily edit. Just add the photos here. I recommend going with really similar resolutions, so everything's fine. But yeah, this is how you can add testimonials for your site in Mobirise. You can go to settings. You can remove the title. You can choose change the autoplay interval if you want. And that's it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.